For example, in this sample project, this is a pool here that we have designed, and also we want to render this part as a liquid or as a water, and also we want to have some control over it. The easiest way is to let me select this, and from here let us create a new material. You can call it whatever you want. It doesn't necessarily need to have a water keyword here, but I'm going to put it on swimming pool. Okay, and then the next step is to put the material class on liquid. This is really necessary. And from here, let's go to the graphic tab. And from here, you need to replace a water asset instead of this, and then you can change the parameters. To do that, select and click on this option, replace this asset, and from here go to the appearance library. In liquid tab, you can choose many of them, but this first two asset will work really good. And don't look at the appearance right now. We can change it later. Just select one of these two, for example, clear lake. And here, let me do a duplicate 2 to prevent from changing the main material, and we need to wait. And from here, you can see we have some controls over the material. Let me click on apply, and let me see the change on the. Also, I need to click on OK. Then we need to wait a little bit until the Enscape would update the material, and then we can update it. Okay, it is great, and it is the default material. Let me create some change in it. We have some changes here. The first one is type. It's kind of for it mostly affects on the shape of the waves and also the water shape, but not on the color. For example, let me change it on swimming pool, and let me click on apply. You will see it's not very obvious in this place, but there is some change in the water shape. Also, you can change the wave heights here. But personally, I don't see this change in Enscape. But if you would render this in Revit, you will see an obvious change. But here we can see that, so maybe there is some problem with water in Enscape. I don't know. Maybe they should change it. And let's go again, and from here you also can put it on something like reflecting pool. It will have more reflect here. It is more obvious here. You can see the reflect and refraction, and also the breaking of the lights. The next one is steam or river. It will give us more control on the color of this. You can see we have a color part too. Let me bring this down. It doesn't really affect on anything. It will affect, but it is not very big effect. And from here, let me change it to green. You can see the water color will change, and you will get another environment and maybe more brown, and you can see it's completely different and other kind of parts. The next one is lake, that we have this exact controls here. Also we have sea and oceans, and also exact controls. The nearest one that I want is a steam river, and then I'm going to put it on maybe swimming pool, reflecting pool, and then click on app. It is great for me in this project. Also, another tip here that you can tilt your material to. For example, let me click on tilt, and from here, let me change this to, if we want to simulate blood. Joking, but some, maybe one day you would need some colorful water for some special designs. Let me change it to another color. You can see the change. It is a tilt, so sometimes it doesn't give you the exact color. It is some behavior that we wouldn't have the time to explain it right now, but you can see the different colors here. If you want to see the colors, it is better to use the abstract colors here. You can see it is white, but it is purple here because we have a color here, and also we have a color here. They will combine together, so it's the situation that you will see here. Okay, that's great for me. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to like and subscribe us. It will help us a lot to create more videos like this. I will see you on the next session.